Hi, I'm Bob from Town Bank Builders. We're here in Cape May Beach, New Jersey, where we're getting ready to start a new renovation on a house. We're going to start out with, we've already started some demo work. We've taken off the existing siding on the house. But what we're going to end up doing is a total renovation. The whole house will be gutted. All right, so right now we're in the existing living room of the house. What's going to happen in here is this wall is going to come out in between here and the kitchen. We're going to take the front wall of the house, and that's going to get pushed out so that the living room becomes larger. There'll end up being a fireplace over here with some bookshelves next to it. After we push the front wall out, the new front porch now will come across the whole front of the house. This is the existing kitchen right now. It's going to be a similar design as far as the kitchen, as far as location. When we take off the roof system of the house though, the kitchen will have a higher ceiling in here with windows up above. The kitchen's going to wrap around this whole area in here. We're going to remove this back wall section. We're going to remove the screen porch that's on the back of the house. And then we're going to end up having a sunroom back there, which will be accessible right through the kitchen area. So you'll basically have an open area from the front of the house, living room, kitchen, sunroom. It'll just be one open area. We come down the hallway. There's an existing bathroom in here, which is going to be gutted out, and the bathroom's actually going to move from that location. In this area over here, we have the washer and dryer. That'll also be gutted out and moved to a new location. So what's going to happen is when we get back in here, we're going to take this existing bedroom. Even though everything in here will be gutted out, we'll end up pushing that back wall out a little bit and expanding the bedroom over a little bit so that it'll become larger. Then we're going to take that existing bathroom and this utility area, and it's going to move into what was the existing third bedroom of the house. So that will end up becoming a bathroom and a utility area. Now we're going to walk into the front bedroom. This will be about the only room in the whole house that's not going to have hardly anything done to it. It'll be gutted out down to the walls, but the size of this room is basically going to stay the same. All right, moving on to the second floor of this house. Once the front wall of the living room is pushed out, there'll be a new set of stairs in this area here, which will lead to the second floor. The second floor is going to basically consist of a large master suite. There'll be kind of like a sitting area in the front, a master bedroom, master bathroom, walk-in closet, and there'll also be some utilities upstairs for the HVAC system and hot water heater. So here we are on the back screen porch of the existing house. We're going to tear the entire porch down, tear out the concrete slab, pour all new footing and foundation back here, and then there'll be a new sunroom constructed, which will basically be glass all the way around. And then once we push that back wall out, there'll be a new outside shower built out there. So that's the project that we're getting ready to get started. As you can see, we've already removed the siding from the house. The next step will be to tear off the back porch here, tear off the front porch, start on getting the footing and foundation system in, and then from there it'll be just totally gutting this whole house down to the walls and tearing off the whole entire roof here. So there's not going to be much left. There might be a few walls here or there that are untouched, but pretty much we're going to tear it down basically to the floor. All right, hello everybody. We're back here at the beach house where we just did a renovation and put a second floor on. Just to give you a little idea of what was here before. This used to be the front wall of the house right here. We ended up knocking that out, pushing this out a little further. We took the wall out here that was between the living room and the kitchen, and there used to be a fireplace there, so we took that out, and we ended up putting in a new fireplace over on this wall here. So now we're in the kitchen area. This used to be the kitchen when we first started out. There was a wall here, and kind of blocked off the kitchen, made it feel a lot smaller. So with taking that wall out, opening up this ceiling in here, putting some windows in up top, kind of opened it up a little more, brings in a lot more light. We had a design for the kitchen made up by the cabinet shop in Cape May Courthouse. All right, and here we are leaving the kitchen, coming back into the new sunroom. This used to be a screen porch back here before, but the homeowners wanted to be able to use it more year-round, and since they were moving down here, it became like an extra room for them. So we ended up vaulting ceiling in here, doing kind of like a beadboard type ceiling with some crown molding in it. And so here we are in what was the original hallway area of the house, and this was the back bedroom back in here. What we did in this bedroom was took the back wall out, expanded it out a little bit to make this room a little bit bigger, and there was a center bedroom in here, which we took some of the space away from there to make an ensuite in here. All right, so we're back in the hallway now. This is the area where the middle bedroom used to be, and we stole some of that space to make the ensuite in the back bedroom, and we put a powder room in here. Now here we are moving back into the front bedroom. This bedroom was about the only room in the whole house that stayed the same. It's the exact same size. We just kind of redid it inside here. We then added a second floor here, which has the master suite on it, which would be a master bedroom, bathroom, walk-in closet. There's actually a sitting area at the top of the stairs. So let's go up and take a look. Here we are upstairs. We have like a little landing area up here. It's going to be a future little office space right in here. We have a utility area with the hot water heater and the HVAC systems in here. And then we also put the washer and dryer upstairs so the homeowner didn't have to run up and downstairs all the time to do their wash. All right, so here we are in the master suite. There's a lot of light in here. It's a little cloudy today, but generally it's very nice and bright in here. We also did the beadboard on the ceiling in here, similar to what we did downstairs in the sunroom. So over here we have some closet space. There's a linen closet. There's also a walk-in closet. And then in here would be the ensuite. We ended up putting a soaking tub in here. Another large shower that we did. Has some pretty cool looking wall tile. And we have a double bowl vanity. So that's it for the renovation project we did here. We think everything turned out really nice. The homeowner picked out some very nice colors and schemes and cabinetry and tile. And we think it really turned out to be a really nice job.
We are extremely happy with the results. I would like to thank Bob Obermeyer and Town Bank Builders for doing an excellent job